Hey, what's up guys, Apps here, and in this video we're going to create a little mini game using random number generators, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is going to be using random number generators, and this game will be a question game, so the user can enter a question and it's going to say yes or no, 100% random. And before we continue on, I just wanted to say I would really appreciate it if you could drop a like because YouTube's algorithm changes. But anyways, let's get into this. So I'm going to create a new Xcode project. This is going to be a single view application. You can call this anything. I'm going to call this answer. And save it wherever. And we're going to head to our main.storybird file, and I'm using the iPhone SE simulator. So what I am going to do is change this to the iPhone SE and change my actual simulator to the iPhone SE. Make it a little bigger for you guys. So in the main.storyboard, we're going to drag a couple things. A label, in fact 2 labels. The first one is just for fun. It's going to say 100% random. And the second one will be your answer. I'm just going to change this to answer. That is temporary. Once we're done with the final product, that's going to change to blank. I'm going to change the font here just for fun. Oh, I like that font. I'll make that a bit bigger and that a bit wider. Cool. So that's done. We're now going to add a text field and a button that will say submit. Okay. And for the placeholder text for the text field, I'm going to say enter question here. Okay, we're done. Now we're going to drag in these 3 things, which is the text field, button, and label. So first we're going to drag the button in, control, click, and drag. And this is going to be an action. This is going to be called submit. We're going to connect our label, which I will just call answer. And finally the text field, which I will just call text. So in the action we just created for the button, we are going to create a variable, and the variable will be called random yes or no. And that is equal to arc for random underscore uniform with the UInt32. I'm going to change this to 2 because it's going to be yes or no. So now we're going to have if random number, or if random yes or no is equal to 0, 0 then do this, add a curly brackets, and then if random yes or no is equal to 1, then curly brackets. Okay, and so the 0 is going to be no, so in the 0 we're going to say text or answer.text is equal to, and we need quotation marks, and that's going to be no. And I'm going to copy and paste this for the second one and change it to yes. And after they submit it, we want the text field to go empty again. So I'm just going to say text.text is equal to blank, so nothing in the quotation marks, and same thing for this one. So let's run it and see what happens. Okay, here is our simulator. Here it is. The app is loading. Okay, so before we continue on, you may have noticed that I left the text there, so which is answer. So easy fix. So delete that, and we should be good to go. And here is our app. So enter question here. I'm gonna type, do I have a Mac? Submit, and yes. So this is actually random. I am not making it say yes or no. And as you just saw, the text field went blank, so I'll type another question. Do I like Windows? Okay, yes. So as you can see, the text field went blank. So we could keep asking questions with this. Is Siri a good person? No. So, uh-oh, Siri. But anyways, that was just a joke. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe. Have fun with this app. Remember to leave a like, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.